everybody, welcome back to Sweet and Savory Treats. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade acai bowl, and it's vegan because I ended up using coconut milk. So let's get started.
So I use 2 acai packets because I'm making a larger portion, but for single serving feel free to use 1, and I just got these at a local grocery store. And a half cup of coconut milk. Next I use 1 cup of mangoes and 1 cup of mixed berries. So for toppings, feel free to use anything you want. I used just some honey granola, shredded coconut, and sliced bananas. I also added some honey and chia seeds at the end. So now I'm just going to blend all the ingredients together. Here I add the mixed berries. Next I added the frozen mango. Now the coconut milk. And feel free to use any type of milk that you want for this recipe. And now I'm just going to be adding the acai packets, and you definitely want to defrost these and make sure you start to see them melt a little bit. So roughly 10 to 15 minutes before you make this acai bowl, let the 2 packets defrost. So now I'm just blending this, and you want to basically blend it until it's a smooth consistency, but it's still very frozen. And one thing I recommend is using almond milk or another type of milk, or adding some silk yogurt, because that will give it a smoother texture, as you can see, but it still turns out to be tasty. So this is kind of the texture that you're trying to go for to make it similar to an acai bowl. So now I'm just going to top it off. I added some sliced banana, some granola, some shredded coconut, some chia seeds, and a little bit of honey. And now here you have it, our homemade acai bowl. It tastes absolutely delicious.
Oh man, this is the awesome acai bowl I have ever ate. Great job, Anika.
Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys again soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to leave some of my social medias linked down below, so please go and follow my Instagram for some more behind the scenes and Instagram lives. And yeah, please let me know if you try this recipe. Comment down below if you want, and if you have any other suggestions. And I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye!